Did you know that 60% of new managers fail within the first 2 years of their leadership role? In today's rapidly changing business landscape, organizations are bleeding potential and productivity due to leadership skill gaps. Companies suffer from decreased employee engagement, high turnover rates, and missed strategic opportunities when executives lack critical management competencies. Managers struggle with communication breakdowns, inability to motivate teams, and difficulty navigating complex organizational dynamics. Individual contributors feel frustrated by inconsistent leadership, lack of clear direction, and limited professional growth opportunities. These challenges create a toxic cycle of disengagement that erodes organizational performance and individual potential. Our transformative training program provides a comprehensive approach to leadership development. Through immersive learning experiences, participants develop advanced communication skills, strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and adaptive leadership techniques. The program bridges the gap between traditional management approaches and modern organizational needs, equipping leaders with practical tools to inspire, motivate, and drive exceptional performance. Participants will gain the ability to create high-performing teams, improve organizational culture, and drive strategic initiatives. Organizations can expect increased employee retention, improved productivity, and a more agile leadership pipeline. Individual leaders will transform their management approach, develop confident decision-making skills, and become change agents within their organizations. The cost of inaction is far greater than the investment in leadership development. Are you ready to unlock your leadership potential and transform your organization? This is your moment to become the leader your team needs, the executive your company deserves, and the change maker who drives success. Take the first step towards exceptional leadership. Your future depends on it.